Okay, so I'm going to share my screen right now. Okay, can you see my screen from that end? Hello, can you see my screen?
Yes, 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 I can see.
Okay, so let's begin with the closed passage. You know, you have about 3 to 4 comprehension passages. Okay, so this is the fourth one, which is a closed passage, in sense that you have the answers within text. So we will begin with this. Uh, so at a go, you would do 16, from 16 to 25. When you get to 25, I will then send in the answers from this end. So I expect you to send your answer 16 to through to 25. So just tell me if I am moving too fast or too slow for you. Are you ready to begin?
I'm coming.
Hello, Mary.
I can hear you, sir.
Okay, so you would have to read and pick your answers. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So you send your answer to the chat box. So once you pick your answer for 16, you send it in like that. 17, you send it. Once you get to 25, we then go over it before we continue.
Okay, sir.
Ella, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
I've not seen your answer to 16.
I already sent it.
Send to the general chat for everyone.
That's what I did.
I can't see.
No, she's sending it to the WhatsApp group. It's not the WhatsApp group.
No, not
The
the
chat.
WhatsApp group. The chat box on Zoom.
Oh,
Oh, were you in class last week?
no, I've not been online for a long time. I don't join the account.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. So last week, what we did was
Okay.
that you send in the answer to the chat um, on Zoom. Just go to chat and send to everyone. 16. If 16 is A, you write 16 A. like that.
Okay. What I do?
Okay, hello Mary. Are you there? Okay, I think we have more people here now. Please send in your answers to the chat box, just like we did last week.
What answer? Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening,
Well,
sir.
we are looking at, just like we did last week, this is the past paper we are treating today. And I said we should begin with the closed passage, okay, which is more like the comprehension but as the answers enclosed. So we begin from 16, but first I want us to send our answers from 16 to 25, okay, and then we take it from there. From 16 to 25, we have the closed passage, where you have to read and pick the answers within.
Okay, sir.
So kindly send your answers to the chat box. I'm here to get any answer. Okay, I have one answer for 16. Please, let's keep it coming. Let's do from 16 through to 25. Then I'll set down the answers. Please, we have 5 more minutes on this particular question. All right, please keep it coming. Yes, we have 6, 17, 18. Okay, we have someone at 21. 5 more questions. I'll be through with this section. Okay, we have 22 in. Keep the answers coming. Okay, we also have 23 from Lillian. Twenty-three, waiting for 24 and 25. We have 24 in. Okay, 25. One more. Waiting for Mary. Sending answer to 25. Okay, thank you, Mary. So let's go through the closed text together, the closed passage together, and then answer the questions for the benefit of those who will be watching the recorded session. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to ask yourself, what kind of passage are you reading? Don't forget the concept of register that we talked about. Okay, every passage you read is from a particular field of endeavor. Is it science? Is it education? Is it commerce? Is it sports? So as you can see, this is a scientific text. Okay, so that will dictate. So that will dictate the choice of words. Now let's go over it. 16 is C. 16 is C, factors. 17 is experiments, A. 18 is conditions, B. 19 is constants, B. 20 is method, A. 21 is pen, C. 22 is season, B. 23 is findings, B. 24 is hypothesis, hypothesis, C. And 25 is law. It becomes a law. Okay, so I'm not sending the answer on the chat box now. Let's now move on. We don't have enough time. We have just 8 minutes. Should we come back and continue after this? After our time lapses here?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so once this goes off, let's come back and then continue from wherever we stop. So what we now do is, for each number, you send in your answer, and then I would also send in my answer. Is that okay? Just as we did last
Yes.
week. So let's begin with Lexi's structure and oral forms. 6.
Okay, so I'll start from 45.
You said
Are we starting from 45?
no, 26.
Okay.
26 right here.
Okay.
Okay, I have the answers to 26. 26 is C. Barring any problems, I shall travel to London tomorrow on a business trip. The answer is barring. Okay, let's move on to 27. So 26 is C. 27. Musa has lived here for 5 years, but he does not seem able to get over the enormously dash and average rules that govern society. Okay, I have one answer in. I have 2. One more to go. 27. One more to go. Okay, I have the third answer here. Here the answer is B. 27. Intricate, which means complicated. Okay, let's move on to 28 very quickly. The match gave the team a chance to show their dash. 28. Yes, one answer is in. 2, one more to go. All right, we have all our answers. The answer is metal. A. The match gave the team a chance to show their metal, with their strength, what they are made up of. Okay, their toughness. All right, let's move on to 29. 29. We have one answer in. This question is tricky, but if you're able to sort out your singular and plural, you will get it correctly. Please don't spend too much time on a particular question. Okay, 2 answers in, one more to go. Okay, because of our time, I guess we would wrap sending the answer. 29 is C. Now, the singular of analysis is spelled with SIS. The plural is spelled with SES. Okay, so these analysis must have attracted the World Bank officials. Okay, we have just over minutes left. Let's quickly do 30. And then we'll come back to continue. 30 very quickly. Less than a minute. Let's quickly do 30. Okay, we have one answer for 30. Okay, 2 answers, one more to go. Don't forget, once we are logged out, let's come back in to continue with the class. Okay, because of our time, 30 is C.